What is the true purpose of law? Is it to maintain order, ensure justice, or control society? Since the dawn of civilization, the concept of law has fascinated and divided humanity. Laws shape our societies, define our relationships, and guide our actions. But what do great thinkers say about the nature of law? Let's begin with the ancient Greeks. Plato, in his famous work, The Republic, argued that laws should reflect justice and morality. He envisioned an ideal society where laws were guided by reason and served the common good. To Plato, the law wasn't just a set of rules, but a pathway to a virtuous life. Plato's student Aristotle had a slightly different view. While Plato emphasized ideals, Aristotle was more practical. He believed that laws should promote virtue and fairness, ensuring a balance between the individual and the community. In Aristotle's view, the purpose of law was to achieve harmony in society. Centuries later, Thomas Aquinas introduced a spiritual dimension to the law. He argued that laws reflected divine order and morality. For Aquinas, good laws aligned with God's will and were designed to guide humans toward righteousness. In the 17th century, Thomas Hobbes took a radically different approach. In his book Leviathan, Hobbes described a world without laws as chaotic and violent, a place where life would be, quote, nasty, brutish, and short. For Hobbes, laws were essential to protect individuals from one another, forming the basis of a social contract. Moving to the Age of Enlightenment, John Locke introduced the concept of natural rights, life, liberty, and property. He believed laws should protect these inherent rights and limit the power of the state. For Locke, laws weren't just about control. They were about safeguarding individual freedoms. Jean-Jacques Rousseau, on the other hand, believed that laws should reflect the general will of the people. In his view, laws were a social agreement, promoting equality and freedom while ensuring harmony in society. Jeremy Bentham, a pioneer of legal positivism, argued that laws are human constructs created for social utility. In simple terms, laws should aim to maximize happiness for the greatest number of people, even if that means sacrificing personal interests. Now let's reflect on some universal questions about law. Does the law serve justice, or is it a tool of those in power? Thinkers like Nietzsche argued that laws often reflect the interests of the strong, raising the question, can laws ever truly be fair? Another key aspect is the adaptability of laws. As society evolves, so too must its legal systems. Today, debates about technology, privacy, and human rights highlight the ongoing tension between tradition and progress. Despite cultural differences, the essence of law remains universal: to create order, protect freedoms, and promote fairness. Yet the challenge lies in balancing these ideals. From Plato's idealism to Bentham's pragmatism, the concept of law has evolved over centuries, reflecting humanity's ever-changing values and struggles. Laws are more than just rules. They are a mirror of society, embodying our hopes, fears, and aspirations.